This is a Newburgh Beacon Bridge. Look. Do you see those cars on the highway? Both sides. And this is what it leads a different direction coming off the bridge. And it goes further. So the highway is something that I'm...
She don't know much about the highway, you know?
No, I don't, because I don't live here.
She don't live here.
I don't live here, people. I'm not from here. This is not a real place. You get it?
No, the Newburgh Beacon goes from take you to Connecticut, to the city. Can take you all the way to Jersey and Pennsylvania. If you're gonna go to the city, this is where we catch a train.
Right. So you climb up that lovely step that you see up there to enter to go on the train. I love the train. How much time I ride the train?
Once.
No.
No.
All right. So
Probably more than twice.
we
You probably came with us once.
once, yeah, but me and your father did it more than
Several
once.
times.
Which is not fair.
It's actually the best experience not having kids around.
Wow. It's a bit chilly because we're by the waterfront, so it feels rather cold. Look at my main man. Ooh. But yeah,
It's super cold.
yeah, because we're at the water. That's why it feels that way. But look at the little red ferry.
So apparently we kind of found a good spot because there's like a children concert going on, and we're gonna just go over there and see what's up. We're probably gonna show you guys what's up. That's all it is. It's very quiet day though. For a Saturday, it's very quiet. Usually there's a lot more activity going on. I don't know. People are probably just inside today. Probably just early, but that's good though. More comfortable walk around this way. try to get a shot of him too.
I've watched a whole bunch of musical, but the one that really interested me was the harp. So you can see her playing the harp, and you can see how, you know, the details of the fingers as opposed to the stroke to get the sound.
Amazing.
It's really good.
Yes.
I did say to her that she did, you know, do a phenomenal job in playing that.
First time
piece.
I've seen anything like that, so that was pretty cool.
Right.
Nice, delicate, just
It
beautiful.
teaches you patience too. You know,
I suppose.
yeah, because you have to have patience. Me now with my fingers, they're a little. I think I could do it, but just to learn.
All right, so we're gonna hold that against her.
No, don't hold me against it. I'm gonna try.
She's gonna learn to play something like that.
I can play the drums. That's the
Alright.
thing that I can play. So, and I can play a little sound like Mary had a little lamb on the piano.
Everybody can do that.
Nothing really big, but if I put my heart and, you know, my head to it, I can learn other pieces.
Cool.